With Google Maps, you will find all of your trip information is seamlessly integrated into your vehicle screen for a smooth, confident driving experience. When selecting the map icon for the first time, you may be prompted to accept user terms and conditions, which is required to use the app. I'm sure most of you know how to use Google Maps, but there are a few unique features to check out because it is fully integrated with your Bolt. First, you will want to be logged into Google in the Bolt so all of your recent saved and favorite destinations automatically appear across all of your devices, including in the Bolt. There is also an EV-specific quick access button to locate public charging stations near you. Use the filter button to filter based on charging speed or preferred networks. If you have an AC or DC charging adapter, be sure to select these filters to ensure only compatible charging stations around you are displayed. If you set your navigation destination to a DC fast charger, Google Maps will automatically signal your vehicle to do a fast charge prep at the appropriate time to prepare your battery for the best available charging speeds. As a reminder, this feature will only work if the destination is set to the fast charge point of interest and not to a specific address. Next, let's talk about route planning. There are several ways to start a route with Google Maps. First, Google Assistant can help you navigate hands-free while you're already on your drive. Hey Google, navigate to the nearest charging station.
Got it. ChargePoint charging station.
Or, while the vehicle is parked, you can use the search bar to enter a destination. Once you select your destination, Google Maps will help you find the fastest route based on current traffic conditions. Because Google Maps is fully integrated with your Bolt, it has access to important vehicle information like your state of charge level. When navigating to your destination, Google Maps will show you an estimated state of charge upon arrival. This is continuously updated as you drive and takes things into account like outside temperature, speed limits, heating and air conditioning usage, and if you are driving through mountainous terrain. This gives you the ultimate confidence that you will arrive at your destination with range to spare. In fact, if conditions change, it will even suggest a charger along your route. For a longer road trip, Google Maps will detect if it is outside of your battery range and automatically suggest one or even multiple charging stops. You can edit the charging stop by pressing here and finding another stop that works best for you. Bolt can charge from 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. But as a reminder, DC fast charging slows significantly after approximately 80% state of charge. So the system may suggest more frequent, shorter charging stops rather than charging up to 100% to give the shortest overall travel time.